From cutting-edge drone hunters to a stealthy ghillie suit that blends you into the battlefield, these next-level military innovations redefine modern warfare. So which one would you trust in action? HEKTR. Meet HEKTR, the advanced training dummy designed for shooting clubs, law enforcement, and military personnel. Unlike traditional targets, HEKTR is made from special materials that prevent ricochets, making it safe for both indoor and outdoor use. It can move at speeds of up to 32 km per hour, allowing for dynamic training scenarios. It is compatible with 7.62mm caliber rounds and other firearms, detecting shots in real time with 360-degree coverage. The impact data is instantly sent to a smartphone app, where trainers can customize scenarios, such as setting a required number of hits for a simulated takedown. Viper 300. Imagine a lightweight drone capsule weighing just 2.8 kilograms, capable of hitting targets within a 5-kilometer radius. That's exactly what the Viper 300 delivers. This UAV combat system is powered by AI algorithms, allowing it to analyze battlefield conditions in real time and select optimal targets. It moves at an impressive 27 meters per second and can be deployed individually or in swarms. The Viper 300 system includes specialized multi-capsule blocks that can be mounted on armored vehicles, offering tactical advantages in modern warfare. Textron Systems XM204. As landmine technology evolves, so do countermeasures, and the XM204 is a prime example. The US military found it so effective that they signed a purchase agreement. Just one container loaded with 4 XM204 mines can protect an area the size of a football field. These mines detect vehicles from up to a kilometer away, analyzing them with 3 integrated sensors. The system then decides whether to strike, waiting until the target is within a 50-meter range before deploying the mines. The entire container weighs only 38 kilograms, making it easy to transport and deploy by just 2 soldiers, without the need for burial like traditional mines. Which one of these incredible machines would you love to test out? Let us know in the comments. NEVESTA-S. The NEVESTA-S is a high-tech thermal imaging clip-on sight designed to improve target observation, recognition, and engagement at long distances. Its cutting-edge technology allows it to activate in just 3 seconds and function in automatic mode, meaning no manual adjustments are needed as lighting and visibility conditions change. Additionally, the image feed can be displayed on external devices, and it supports a remote control option. The NEVESTA-S mounts on a Picatinny rail and can withstand extreme temperatures ranging from -30 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, ensuring reliability in the toughest conditions. Rheinmetall MWS-120. The Rheinmetall MWS-120 is designed to be a reliable battlefield companion. This 120mm manually muzzle-loaded mortar offers precision and efficiency, featuring a dual recoil damping system and an automatic compensation mechanism that adjusts for platform roll and pitch within a plus or minus 20-degree range. Its bullseye graphical interface simplifies targeting, making operation feel almost like a video game. Just press one button to aim, and another for automatic correction between shots. With a rate of fire of up to 20 rounds per minute, this system is built for rapid response. A standout feature is its quick disassembly barrel, which takes just 60 seconds to remove, allowing for easy conversion between smoothbore and rifled configurations. Jarmel. With the global military drone market projected to hit $8.9 billion in the next 2 years, anti-drone systems are becoming more crucial than ever. One such innovation is Jarmel, developed for the Turkish military. Mounted on the Ghillie APC, it features a 5-kilowatt laser unit capable of tracking and neutralizing drones within a 2-kilometer range. Additionally, Jarmel can detect and counter other airborne threats up to 5 kilometers away. Though semi-autonomous, the system only fires under operator command, ensuring controlled engagement against aerial threats. Which one of these incredible machines would you love to test out? Let us know in the comments. An IMR Ajban Lursov. The Ajban Lursov is a lightweight, high-speed reconnaissance vehicle designed for tactical operations. With a 4x4 drivetrain, it is agile enough to be transported under a helicopter's fuselage and powerful enough to reach speeds of 100 km per hour. Powered by a 296 horsepower engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission, it handles steep inclines of up to 60% with ease. Despite its open-frame design, it fords water obstacles up to a meter deep. The 4-person crew benefits from a 700-kilometer range, and thanks to its modular build, the vehicle can be equipped with customized weaponry and mission-specific gear. RF Hunter. Despite being overlooked in military tech publications, the RF Hunter has made waves at Eurosatory, one of the largest defense exhibitions. Developed by Cypriot engineers, this compact and portable system detects both drones and their operators. Weighing just 7 kilograms, it can be carried in a backpack or mounted on a vehicle, making it a highly mobile solution. A single operator can use the system to identify up to 2.48 radio sources in real time, displaying geolocation data on an interactive tablet-based map. With additional modifications, the RF Hunter could also be adapted for electronic warfare tasks. Which one of these incredible machines would you love to test out? Let us know in the comments. Zodiac Milpro FC470. A leader in inflatable and R-boats for military, medical and rescue operations, Zodiac Milpro has set the standard with the FC470. This high-performance boat accommodates up to 10 people and reaches speeds of 41 kilometers per hour. Designed for air-droppable deployment, it can be dropped into water from low altitudes without a parachute. Additionally, it can be concealed underwater, making it an invaluable asset for night operations and special forces missions. Due to its rugged construction and tactical advantages, the FC series is often considered the top choice for maritime special forces worldwide. Manta Ray. The Manta Ray is an unmanned underwater vehicle currently in development by Northrop Grumman. Though still in its prototype phase, it represents a new class of submersibles designed for long-duration and autonomous missions. Its primary function is mine deployment and reconnaissance, but its unique ability lies in its hibernation mode, which allows it to descend to the ocean floor and conserve energy between tasks. With a modular design, the Manta Ray can be transported in 5 standard shipping containers, ensuring ease of deployment and adaptability for various naval operations. M110. The U.S. military needed a lightweight, transportable self-propelled howitzer, leading to the development of the M110. Officially entering production in 1962, it remains in service in countries like Greece and Iran. Despite its unassuming name, the M110 became one of the most powerful howitzers of the 20th century. Armed with a massive 23.2 centimeter caliber gun, it had an impressive range of 24 kilometers and could travel at 55 kilometers per hour. Its mobility and firepower made it a key asset in major conflicts, from the Vietnam War to the Persian Gulf, proving its lasting battlefield effectiveness. Avon Protection Exoskin S1. Military protective suits continue to advance, offering enhanced defense against chemical and biological threats. The Avon Protection Exoskin S1 may appear simple, but it delivers 24-hour protection against vapors, liquids, and solid contaminants, including radiation. It's also 30% lighter than comparable models, ensuring greater mobility. Helicon Tex Ghillie Suit. Designed for stealth and protection, the Helicon Tex Ghillie Suit is an essential piece of camouflage gear. Its lightweight, breathable material ensures comfort, while the modular design allows for customization depending on the mission environment. The Lubawa SA shield pairs well with this selection, offering vehicle protection against high-explosive anti-tank grenades. The design consists of composite or aluminum-framed strings stretched into a net formation, effectively dispersing impact force. Weighing only 4.75 kilograms per square meter, it remains lightweight and modular, making repairs and replacements quick and easy. Elbit Systems XM204. Advanced surveillance and reconnaissance systems are crucial in tackling emerging threats, and Elbit Systems XM204 is among the best. This multispectral electro-optical system is designed for airborne, maritime, and ground platforms, providing unmatched adaptability. Its AI-driven technology enables operators to detect, track, and identify both stationary and moving objects regardless of conditions like fog, humidity, or haze. The XM204 can simultaneously track 5 targets and features image fusion technology, along with AI analytics for enhanced decision-making. In 2021, an unnamed Asia-Pacific country recognized its potential, placing an $80 million order for these systems. NEROD RF. Drones offer invaluable benefits for agriculture, surveillance, and rescue operations, but they also present security challenges when misused. In 2019, Heathrow Airport had to halt operations due to an unauthorized drone, highlighting the growing need for counter-drone solutions. Enter MC2 Technologies' NEROD RF, an advanced radio frequency jammer designed to neutralize drone threats. It requires just 30 seconds to set up and 5 seconds to disrupt signals, forcing drones to either land or return to their launch point. With the ability to target 7 frequency ranges simultaneously, the NEROD RF has gained adoption by military and security forces, including the French Armed Forces, for high-risk scenarios. With so many cutting-edge military technologies revolutionizing the battlefield, it's incredible to see just how far innovation has come. From high-speed reconnaissance vehicles to AI-powered drones and next-gen protective gear, these machines are shaping the future of defense and security. Which one impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown of advanced military tech, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into cutting-edge innovations, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.